Good morning, everybody, and happy Saturday.
We are heading to the airport so we can fly to Miami.
So we are headed to Miami this morning because tomorrow at noon we catch the Scarlet Lady on Virgin Voyages. We're going on a 5-night sailing out of Miami. Ports of call are Costa, Mexico, and then the Bimini Island in the Bahamas. And we will be flying back to Austin next Friday, so we are very excited to get out of town for a week. It feels like we just came back from London, which was really, what, 2 months ago?
Yes.
So we are back at it again. So right now, Ryan is actually gonna drop me off at the top of the terminal because we never ever check a bag, but we are actually checking one bag in now. That is because we are confirmed to Miami. We are not doing the non-rev game. So he's gonna drop me off at the top so I can get that bag checked in the allotted time. That way it is a guaranteed bag and not a late checked bag. And then he's gonna drop the car off at the employee lot and shuttle over. So we will see you guys once we're inside the airport.
All right.
All right, we have made it on board. We just pushed back from the gate.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Guys, we have made it here to Miami. So we are staying at the Yotel Miami, which is literally a couple blocks over from Port of Miami, which is where we're gonna pick up the Virgin ship tomorrow. And if you look really familiar in here, because we stayed at the Yotel in London as well a couple months ago.
And it's the same concept.
It's a little micro hotel, but it has everything we need. So we have our bed here, the adjustable bed. We have the smart television. We have two little doors here. One is the shower, and then the other is the water closet here. And then behind us, we have our sink with all of our urban jungle, which they have at every Yotel brand. Little mini fridge. It's a nice setup. It's perfect for just one night. We're staying here in Miami. Miami hotel prices are not cheap, so it was definitely not on the expensive end for Miami standards. And again, it's great for the proximity to the Port of Miami.
Also, for what we need it for, we just need a room just for the night. So we're not rushing to try to get on the ship tomorrow and all that fun stuff. We're here, we can relax tonight. The last 4 days, it seems like we've been going, and now it's gonna pay off because now we get to relax. We do have to go adventure out to get some water bottle or some kind of
reusable cup, because the Virgin Voyages does not use disposable plastics. So we do need to get like a reusable cup. We just didn't feel like packing one from home. But we will only have about a 5-7 minute Uber ride to the Port of Miami tomorrow. Since we did stay at Yotel in London, we were very comfortable booking here because we know their standards. They're always clean. They're always very friendly. And it's a great location.
Yep, can't beat it.
So we're gonna get quasi unpacked. We're not gonna obviously unpack everything, but we're gonna get some stuff out that we need, and then we're gonna go venture out. All right, guys, we have made it here to Terminal V in Miami to board the Scarlet Lady.
Yes, we're so excited. Oh my gosh, when we're getting ready at the hotel, all I could think about was cruising, and we're here.
So as you can see, when we were driving in, we got a great shot of the Scarlet Lady when we were pulling into the port of Miami. We don't board until 2:15. It's currently 12:45, so we got a little bit, but they have a really big ahoy sign right behind us that we took a picture in front of, and just kind of people watching, killing a little bit of time, but before you know it, we'll be on board.
Yes, and this terminal is beautiful. It's very modern, like Art Deco modern.
Yeah, it definitely puts like the Carnival terminal to shame, but that's fine. That's all we know is Carnival cruises. So we are going in with a completely open mind, and we're ready for a new experience. Alright guys, we just walked into our cabin. Let's take a look. Alright, so we got everything unpacked. We wanted to get that first done out of the way, get everything unpacked. And now we are out exploring. We're about to go get a drink and then just kind of explore the ship.
Alejandro the hype. Come to heartbeat this voyage, I'll show you a few moves. Oh, hi, Scarlet Lady, I am Miss Titty Call, your resident diva! Fabulous, you can catch my one-woman show tomorrow afternoon at 1:30 in the manor. I hope to see you all there. Now, you've met all of our fabulous faces here. Please feel free to come up and say hi if you see us around the ship. And without further ado, let's set sail, bon voyage!
So we are at the sail away party now, the champagne sail away party. We are currently making our 180-degree turn so we can begin our voyage. We have turned around and we are officially on our way. Alright, so our light is my cell phone. I'm doing the flashlight because we don't have an actual patio light. Our patio lights are red, so you wouldn't be able to see us, but we have set sail. Of course, you saw us sailing away here in Miami. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, the breeze is amazing. Our balcony is really cool because we have an extra large sea terrace, but we have actually an extra little bit of balcony that some of the other rooms, some of the other extra large sea terraces don't have. So we are definitely going to remember this room number because we would like to book this room number again, and we will put it down in the description.
Yes, because it has an L shape, so we can literally see off the edge of the boat.
So we had our sail away party, which you got to see. The champagne was flowing, it was complimentary. I may have had too much champagne. I'm a little bit on the tipsy side right now, but that's fine. We have dinner reservations at 9:30. We're going to the test kitchen tonight, so we will definitely take you along with us. We're just gonna enjoy the night. We have no plans. We are going to make the most out of these 5 days.
Yes, and we want to vlog all of dinner because this is supposed to be an experience.
Yeah.
It's not your normal eatery and it's not your normal experience, and if you don't know anything about it, you're about to.
But for lunch, we stopped by the galley. So they don't have a buffet here on the Virgin Voyages. They have what's called a galley. So you sit down at a table, someone comes and takes your order from a different variety of foods. So you can scan the QR code and it brings their menu up. So they have a burger bar, they have a sushi bar, they have all different kinds of food. So we actually got what was the special of the day, it was called the Miami Heat Burger, and we actually also got a side of avocado tacos. So it was so good. It's really neat though. They don't have a buffet, so you don't get the instant gratification of food, but it came really quick.
Oh, and it was fresh. It was hot. So tonight we have a themed party.
Yeah, so tonight is pajama night party. Around 11 p.m. we have a pajama party to go to. We're gonna be dressed in a military green onesie. We're gonna be matching on that. So we will be partying the night away. We plan on not going to bed at a normal hour. We plan on taking full advantage of everything that they have on board. So we will be partying the night away in our PJs, in our onesie. We are rambling on, so we are going to get ready for dinner. All right, so we are all freshened up. We took a little not really siesta, but we took a little bit of time in the room and we got kind of energized, and now we are headed to the test kitchen now to have dinner. So our first dinner on board is at the test kitchen. So it is a set menu. There's only one option. You can either do shrimp or lamb for your main course, and everything else is a set prefix menu. So we're excited to try it. It is very out of the box. You need to have kind of an open mind coming to this restaurant. They do have cocktail and wine pairings that go with the meal. We are going to opt out of that tonight. We are just going to do water for our meal tonight. But I do suggest doing the cocktail pairing if you do it. They do go really well. If we would have scheduled this on a different night other than the first night, we probably would have done the cocktail pairing, but we had a lot of alcohol already today, so we are going to stick with water.
It's an experience.
It is definitely an experience. So we are halfway through our dinner here at Test Kitchen so far. We've had a corn mousse with a cornmeal baguette, followed by a salmon fillet, and then a beetroot slice with beet puree.
It's good.
Yeah,
Each dish has been
very unique. Yeah, that corn mousse was phenomenal with that baguette. And I'm not a salmon person, I'm not a fish person, but that salmon was really nice. It had pickled cucumber. This is our server here, say hi. And so far it's been absolutely fantastic. So, like we said earlier, we get to choose between two main courses, shrimp or lamb, and we both chose lamb. So we haven't gotten that yet, but we just made it through our first 3 courses. We have 3 more to go, and of course we will show them to you. Alright guys, it is our first night here. We did a little bit of gambling in the casino, but now it is approaching 11 p.m. and we have a pajama party to get to. We are dressed in some onesies and we are going to head out to the athletic club bar on the 16th floor, dance the night away.
I think we're gonna end the night here because we want to go and enjoy ourselves and we don't want to carry a camera. But you saw our outfit. You know where we're going, and we're gonna go sweat it up and drink.
So we will see you guys in the morning.